Have you ever looked at a website and wondered how it was made? Web development is the process of creating those websites. It involves using different tools and technologies to build the websites we see and use every day. From simple blogs to complex e-commerce platforms, web development makes it all possible. Web developers use programming languages to tell computers how to display a website. Think of it like building a house. You need a blueprint, materials, and someone to put it all together. In web development, the blueprint is the code, the materials are the images and text, and the builder is the web developer. Learning web development is like learning a new language. Once you understand the basics, you can create amazing things. It's a challenging but rewarding field, and the best part is, you don't need a computer science degree to get started. In today's digital world, websites have become essential for businesses, organizations, and individuals. Websites act as online storefronts, information hubs, and communication platforms. They connect people from all over the world and provide access to a vast amount of information. Imagine a business without a website. They would miss out on reaching potential customers online. They wouldn't be able to showcase their products or services to a global audience. A website gives businesses credibility and visibility in the digital age. Websites have also become important for personal branding. Individuals use websites to showcase their portfolios, share their thoughts and ideas, and connect with like-minded people. It's a powerful tool for self-expression and networking. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the basic building block of every website. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page. It provides the structure and organization for all the content you see on a website. HTML uses a system of tags to define different elements of a web page. For example, the tag is used to create a main heading, while the tag is used for paragraphs of text. These tags tell the web browser how to display the content. Learning HTML is like learning the alphabet of web development. Once you understand the basic tags and their functions, you can start creating the structure of your web pages. It's the foundation upon which you'll build the rest of your website. HTML elements are the building blocks of web pages. They are represented by tags, which are keywords enclosed in angle brackets. For example, the tag represents a level 1 heading. Tags usually come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. The content of the element is placed between these tags. For example, would display as a level 1 heading with the text, "This is a heading." There are many different HTML elements, each with its own specific purpose. Some common elements include for paragraphs, for images, and for links. By using these elements correctly, you can create well-structured and meaningful web pages. Section 5, CSS Styling Your Website. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. While HTML provides the structure of a web page, CSS is used to style its appearance. Think of CSS as the interior designer of your website. It allows you to control the colors, fonts, layout, and overall look and feel of your web pages. With CSS, you can change the color of your text, add background images, adjust the spacing between elements, and much more. It gives you complete control over the visual presentation of your website. CSS rules are written in a specific syntax that defines the styles you want to apply. You can target specific HTML elements and apply styles to them, creating a visually appealing and consistent design for your website. Section 6, CSS Syntax and Selectors. CSS has a specific syntax that you need to follow to apply styles to your web pages. A CSS rule consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector specifies which HTML element you want to style, and the declaration block contains the styles you want to apply. For example, to style all paragraphs on your web page, you would use the selector. The declaration block would contain styles like to set the text color to blue, or to set the font size to 16 pixels. CSS selectors can be very specific, allowing you to target individual elements or groups of elements. You can use element names, class names, Idaho attributes, and more to select the elements you want to style. Section 7, JavaScript, Adding Interactivity. JavaScript is a programming language that brings interactivity to your websites. While HTML provides the structure and CSS styles the appearance, JavaScript adds behavior and functionality. It allows you to create dynamic and engaging user experiences. With JavaScript, you can create things like image sliders that rotate through a series of images, form validations that check if the user has entered valid data, and animations that bring your website to life. JavaScript code is executed by the web browser and can interact with the HTML and CSS of your web page. It allows you to manipulate the content, style, and behavior of your website in response to user actions or other events. Section 8. The Power of JavaScript. JavaScript is a powerful language that can do much more than just add simple interactivity to your websites. It can be used to create complex web applications, games, and even server-side applications. One of the key features of JavaScript is its ability to manipulate the document object model, or DOM. The DOM is a representation of the HTML structure of a web page, and JavaScript can access and modify its elements. This means that you can use JavaScript to create dynamic content, update information on the fly, and respond to user interactions in real time. It opens up a world of possibilities for creating engaging and interactive web experiences. Section 9. Opportunities in web development. Learning web development can open up a world of opportunities. As more and more businesses move online, the demand for skilled web developers continues to grow. Whether you're interested in working as a freelancer, joining a tech company, or even starting your own business, web development skills are highly valuable. The great thing about web development is that it's a field that's constantly evolving. There are always new technologies and techniques to learn, which keeps the work challenging and exciting. If you're looking for a creative and rewarding career path, web development is definitely worth considering. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for building websites into a fulfilling and lucrative profession.